I'm Ashley and welcome to Consonant Digraphs. In this video, you'll learn that when two or more consonants are combined, they sometimes make new sounds called digraphs. If you haven't learned consonant sounds or blends yet, you need to go back and watch those videos first, and then come back to this one when you're ready. You ready to start learning digraph sounds? Let's go! Sometimes, when two or more consonants are side by side, they make a brand new sound. These kinds of blends have a special name. You know what they're called? You got it, digraphs. Here are two of them. We have the digraphs PH and TH. When you read these, they make a new sound. Let's look at PH. The letters P and H, when they are put together, they make the F sound. Notice that you don't hear the P or the H sound. You hear the new sound. What sound? F. You got it. Like in the word phone and photo. Let's look at TH. TH actually has two different sounds it can make. The first sound is a bit airy sounding. It's like pushing air between your tongue and your teeth. Say that with me. Great job. So TH says like in thing and thin. Let's look at the other sound for TH. Now push your tongue a little bit tighter against your teeth so it almost buzzes when you make the sound. TH says like in the word this or that. Say that with me. Great job. And there you have it. You just learned the consonant digraphs PH and TH. Can you think of any more words with these digraphs in them? Ask an adult to help you list them in a chart just like we did. Use your words to practice reading and spelling your new digraph sounds. And then go practice what you learned with our online games and quizzes. And remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey.